It's a question for Harrison Ford. It's Johnny Messias from The Void magazine. How much have you actually sort of seemed to enjoy the secrecy on this movie? And as a follow-up, there is talk about a film that might be around about a much younger Han Solo. Would you be wanting to approve the actor that plays that chap? And is that a film you'd like to see?
What was the beginning of the question?
The question was really, you seem to sort of almost enjoy the secrecy or relish it. Has that been kind of suited you not to give things away? I think we've kind of covered it in a way. But
Yeah, no, I have actually relished this entire experience in a way that I had not anticipated. And I think a lot of the credit for that goes to JJ and Larry. This is a rare experience in my old life, and I'm very grateful for it. As far as the movie featuring a young Han Solo, I don't know what to think about that. I'm glad that somebody else is going to have the burden of being young and take care of that part. It's well beyond my understanding or control, and I of course want nothing to do with it, in the nicest possible way. But I know that it will be well done and well guided, and it's nothing to do with me.
thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Hey You Guys!
Hey, you guys, huh?
Hey, you guys.
Is that from the Goonies?
It is indeed, yes.
Nice.